Hello there and welcome to the Mobile Academy. And if you want to become a job ready Flutter developer, make sure to check out the courses on my website mobileacademy.io. Here you will find all of the courses related to the Flutter development. You will find the professional course as well as the basic course related to the Flutter. You can also find some of the free courses over here if you want to just go and try it out, or if you are just a beginner on the Flutter and then the React Native, you can also find the free course over here. And if you would like to be a full stack developer, we also have the course related to the full stack developer, related to the Node.js, Express, MongoDB, as well as the Flutter over here. And if you would like to join the Flutter bootcamp, there is also a bootcamp course over here. So make sure to go and check out the course over here. There are free and then they paid course. And if you want to be a job ready Flutter developer, this is the course that you want to take. So see you guys on the next lesson. Till then, have a great day.
Let us continue with our lesson over here, and in this particular lesson let us try to learn about the page transition over here. And currently if you go to this particular product detail, you can see there is some kind of the animation, or this is a page transition animation over here. If you go over here, so what you can do is you can actually disable or enable this particular transition over here. So first of all, we'll see how we can disable this particular transition in the push to this particular product detail page. So let's go to our product detail page, and here we are returning a detail screen over here, and we are making use of our builder over here. So builder, you can see it returns the widget over here. But what we have to do is we have to make use of the let's just go down over here, and here we will return our page builder over here, which requires the you can see that it requires the page over here. Return type is of page of the dynamic. So let's go down over here, and here we are going to return from here the no transition page over here. And using this we can disable that particular transition. So construct a page with no transition functionality over here, and in the child we will just go and copy this concept from here itself, and I'll just go and paste it over here for now. And from here I'll just go and cut this section, and let's remove this one for now. And from here I'll just go and paste that one, and that should be good enough, I guess. So let's just go and we have now replaced the builder. So let's replace this builder with the page builder over here, and this is the no transition page. So if you take a look, the page builder requires the page over here. That's why we are returning a no transition page over here, which is the type of the page over here. And here we are going to return our detail screen. So now no transition page will actually disable the page transition. So let's try to reload our application, and let's go and see what went wrong over here. So let's try to reload this one, and there may be some error, that's why it's not reloading. Okay, so here is the error, so we need to fix that. Let's try to restart this one. Let's go to our product, go to the product detail, and now you can see we don't see that particular page transition animation over here. That's like the push to track. So here you got a nice animation from the side, I guess, and here in the product detail you don't see that particular transition. So you can disable or enable transition based on your requirement. And next we'll see how we can add the custom animation for our one page that will be of the push to tracking page. So currently I guess it's pushing from this side. We can add some custom transition over here. So let's go down over here, and from this particular, I guess we are going from shop to the tracking page over here. So I guess that should be where is that tracking page? So this is the tracking page over here. So what I need to do is I need to cut this section and I need to move this one inside of this particular SOP over here. And here we have the routes over here, and this routes I'll just go and return the one of the sub route from here, that is of the tracking over here. And here what we will do is, let's go and have the page builder that we can make use over here. And here I'll just go and since we require the ID, so I'll just have to can't return it directly from here. I'll just go and copy this section and paste it below over here, and from here I'm going to return a CUS2 custom transition page over here, custom transition page. And let's try to arrange this one over here, and then this is of the transition, and let's close it over here. So that should be fine, and let's close it over here. Child will be of this particular page that we have, so just copy, and then that will be the transition we have to set up over here. And this transition, you can grab some of the information, context, the animation, and then the again the animation over here. So you have the animation and the edge, so it takes the four prompts over here: context, and then the ANIM animation, and then the again the another animation that will be okay. So we got this one, so let's just make use of this one from here. Let's just go and add this one over here. So here we got that, so context, and I guess this doesn't require a double this one, so I can just remove one from here. So context, animation, secondary animation, and then the child we have. So here from here we will just return some custom animation that will be of the let's say by default there is some animation that we can use FA, the fade transition. So this is the fade transition over here, right? So let's make use of this particular fade transition, and this comes from the Flutter widget transition itself. And here in the opacity, I'll just make use of the animation. I'll just pass in that one over here, and then we have the option to pass in the child, and that will be of the child itself that we are passing in. And I'll just close it over, okay, not here, so I need to close it over here. Let's just remove this one from here. So fade transition requires the opacity, and then I'll just pass in the child, and let's just always include semantics. Let's remove that one. Let's just pass, let us not pass that one, and let's just go and reload our application. So I guess we have some error, that's why it's not rebuilding. So from here, okay, so this is what we have to return, so I need to return it from here, and I guess that should fix that one. So we got some error over here, and error, so we got some sub route. So let's go see, and sub route should not start with this one, so that is fine. So tracking, it should not start with the sub route, should not start with this one, and that should fix that particular error. Let's try to restart our application. If we go to this SOP and go to the tracking, and it's still we are okay. So now here I guess previously it was giving us this particular error. We did not notice that one. It is an error page actually, so that means the route is not correct. So what we have to do is, this should be of the /shop shop, and then the tracking, right? That should be the one that we want to push over here. Go to this one, go to SOP, and now you can see that we got some kind of the different kind of the animation over here. That's cool. So you can just go up and play around with this particular transition, and make sure to go and check out the GoRouter documentation about the page transition over here. You can create different kind of the animation over here. So I guess that's all for this lesson, and we will meet up in the next one. Till then, have a great day.